after correcting for just one trading session, that was the 16th of June 2023, NKLA stock is rather gained 10.92% in this session of today, the 20th of June 2023, on below average volume, because over the last two trading sessions, that was, I believe, last three trading sessions, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it was the most actively traded stock in the whole of the US. Of all the stocks that at least trading above $1, it was the most active, more active than that of Tesla. So the volumes were in the hundreds of millions. So 68.4 million definitely is definitely below average. So what we can see is that it seems to be gaining some momentum, or rather it is feeding off from a momentum that came as a result of the news that the company is trying to cut costs, manage its workforce, trying to ensure that it's probably going to bring its spending within $400 million per year, or rather trying to save at least $50 million a year. A lot of cost cutting measures seems to have been the reason why we are seeing a rebound from the correction that happened as of Friday the 16th of June. So given all of those things, we also know very well that in the broader market is showing a lot of strength, at least based on the data on the, I would say, the most active stocks in the whole of the US equity market. The most active stocks, I would say, are around maybe 16,000 shares. There's every likelihood that Nikola stock is part of that 16,000, and of that 16,000, 6,400 are currently trending, and there's also a good chance that Nikola is also part of that 6,400 that are currently trending. And these stocks tend to trend up to, the trend drives them up to gains of around 30%, and right now they have generally this 60% out of that 16,000, that's around 6,400. They have currently gained around 5% only, so they still are expected to, or speculated to, gain a further 25%. So given all of that, I'm just broadly saying that it is not just it is not just the fundamental rectifications, or rather measures, that the company is putting in place, and also the other things that it's also doing, and the fundamental things that it's doing, like are trying to go in the direction of fuel cell propulsion, hydrogen fuel cell propulsion, and all that stuff for its trucks, for its vehicles. There's also, the point is that there is a bigger picture, a broader sense, a broader drive to buy the broader market, and there's also a good chance that Nikola is probably benefiting from that. Being a penny stock, you can easily make a lot of money. It's easy for Nikola to double as against its stock that is trading around $10. So as it were, maybe the broader market is, the broader, the broader market drive is also probably what Nikola is also equally benefiting from, amongst the many things. I don't know, this has been what I've been trying to point out for some days now, so, but in any case, we are going down to its daily chart. Let's see what we have there. On this daily chart, we have we're still maintaining that upper projection of $2.1. So, but interestingly, we have now seen that a Fibonacci projection has suddenly appeared on its weekly chart, and we have a really ambitious projection of 22, a projection of $22.03. That is even minor. There's even a projection of all the way towards $137.98. $137.98. That's really, really ambitious. I'll call it an island projection. What are the chances that this is going to happen? 137.9, and maybe when it reverses happens, but even $21 is really pushing it. It is really, really pushing it. But never say never. So, but in any case, I think we're just going to stick with that $2.1 for now on the daily chart. This projection on the weekly chart is absolutely infinitely ambitious, really, really ambitious. After that $22, we have 34.53. But in any case, let's even have a look and see what the short interest is. I know we have had a look at it before. NKLA's short interest, we have a short interest of around is it 30.5%? Let's see what short interest is for Nikola stock. Definitely has a significant amount of a short interest around towards it. Yes, it is 21.5 on the off exchange is 56.1. So Nikola gained 10.92%. It's definitely, there's a good chance it is part of the broader market. It has that broad market appeal, like I've been trying to say before. That's what I've been trying to point out. And I'm still maintaining that there's a good chance. It is part of. It is definitely one of the most one of the trending stocks amid the most active stocks in the US at the moment. So upper projection of 2.01. There's no guarantee that is going to happen. I know, like I've also pointed out, there is even a highly ambitious projection of all the way towards $22. There's equally no guarantee that will ever come to pass. Indeed, yes, at some point, some years off, maybe, but in 1 week or in a few weeks' time, the odds are not really that high. But in any case, see what you make of NKLA stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.